Now let's add the needs screen. So we're gonna add another screen here. Let's name this needs screen, and let's hide the header, and let's hide the, no, let's keep this. Let's hide pause, and let's not hide anything else. Feel free to add a display text here, display text underscore needs header that says needs assessment. And let's make this 20. This is already 20. Okay. And let's ask for some long text. This is where we ask for the needs. Feel free to add more explanatory label in here. And we also need to collect a couple of pieces of information. These are the academic year and then the cost, and then we need to display the output. So I'm going to add them next to each other. And to do that, we can add a section. I'll just click on it, and then right here we can set it up to be multiple columns. So I'm just going to add 2 columns, and then we need to ask for the number of academic years here. Number of academic years, and then we need to add a currency for the cost per academic year, and here we're going to need to display the output of these two. So we're going to add another display text here that says this display text, let's say total cost, and let's say total cost, and let's make this bold, and then 20, and then center. Now we're going to add the, like, in order to calculate the sum, the aggregate of this times this, we're going to need to use a formula. So I'm going to insert a new resource, and that's a formula, and that should return a currency, and that's total cost. This is returning currency, and this is basically number of academic years times cost per academic year. Simple as that. And I'd like it to have the same formatting, so I'll just select all of them again. Bold, 20. Okay. So that's the needs assessment screen. Let's debug to see, to make sure that all of this is working fine. Debug. Alpha, another alpha, and then education, benefit, needs, and then number of academic, let's say 2, let's say 1,000. We see that the total cost is aggregating correctly. We've got the needs assessment screen up and running.